Poppy Zero. Parang inedit lang nila, kumbaga, to look like galing sa account ni
It is so easy. We tried it. It is so easy actually to create accounts and bonus accounts. No? Hindi naman talaga masusuli yan. Ako nga, recently, na-discover ko, 3 account sa Facebook. It is so easy. Tapos ang gagawin lang naman, ika-capture lang yung a little bit of some of your photos, yun ang i-install yung sa account ngayon. And the only way that you can eradicate it is if you report it to Facebook or to Twitter or to Instagram. So, you know, the public should really be made aware that there are a lot of these bogus accounts that are being created solely for clickbait purposes. And, you know, yun ang reason kung bakit ko po tinanong na si Mrs. Luro. That's the first thing I asked. Ikaw ba ang nagsabi nito? Yun ang sagot po niya ay hindi. Hindi ko po masasabi yan sa aking anak. At hindi yan pwedeng sabihin ng real group. No? Hindi mo kami ganyan. Yan ang sabi niya sa akin. And then, I took a look at the videos. No? Kasi she had given 2 interviews without counsel. Pasensya na po ordinaryong tao lang po Yung hindi naman ito sanay na magpa-interview Nakita niyo, first statement pa lamang, umiiyak na Hindi rehearsed yan, by the way. This is somebody, this is an ordinary mom. And then, biglang at a time na pagod siya, hindi nakakatulong, biglang i-interview nakatunang bungad sa kanya was, ano yung mga pinaglalagay mo doon sa Facebook mo? Bakit ganyan yung pinost mo? Pasensya na po. Taranta yung nanay, and yun po ang nabanggit niya. Things which were supposed to be private, biglang naibulalas niya kasi she obviously was not in her proper judgment, proper discretion, and I believe that she's also very apologetic about that. She's very sorry about na naipulyas niya itong mga bagay na ito to the public and to the media. Personally, kung pwede ko nga din talaga lang siyang sa bulutan, pwede ko gagawin ko. Kasi pero, she was not properly advised by counsel.